How to make a first aid box. Choose the right box. Strong plastic or metal box. Waterproof and dustproof. Easy to carry. Clearly marked with a red cross. Jor. Wall-mountable, for factory use. Recommended size. Medium, 12 to 16 inches, for small office. Large box for manufacturing unit. Essential items to keep inside. Wound care items: adhesive bandages, 20 to 30 pieces. Sterile gauze pads, 10 to 15 pieces. Cotton roll. Crepe bandage, 2 pieces. Roller bandage, 2 pieces. Adhesive tape. Antiseptic solution, Dettol, Savlon, antiseptic ointment. Burn treatment: burn cream, silver sulfadiazine, burn dressing pads. Basic medicines, as per company policy, Paracetamol anti-allergic tablet. Gauze packets. Pain relief spray. Always check expiry dates regularly. Safety or protection: disposable gloves, 5 to 10 pairs. Face masks, hand sanitizer. Tools: scissors, tweezers, safety pins. Digital thermometer. Extra items for manufacturing unit, since you work in industrial environment. Also add eye wash bottle. Eye pads. Instant cold pack. CPR face shield. Emergency contact list. Labeling or documentation. Inside the laid paste. Emergency contact numbers. Nearest hospital details. First aider name or contact. Inspection checklist. Where to keep first aid box? Near entrance. Near production area. Control room. Security cabin.